The Remote Assist Program, or RAP Kit, includes a Windows tablet PC, J2534 device, Internet Access Modem, OEM subscriptions, and battery maintainer. It's everything you need packed in an easy-to-use, all-in-one kit. Simply plug the RAP Kit into an AC outlet and power it up. Select Continue. Confirm instructions on screen and prepare vehicle for programming as instructed. Select Agree. Remove jumper terminal protective caps and connect jumper cables to RAP Kit. Connect the opposite end of the jumper cables to the vehicle battery or jump start point. Select Next. Connect the OBDII cable from the RAP Kit to the vehicle being programmed. Select Next. Turn the key on with the engine off. Select Next. Confirm all OE and aftermarket vehicle accessories are turned off. Select Next. Log into your existing RAP account or enter your information to create a new one. Select Log In. Select a previously used shop or create a new one. Select Next. Call the RAP hotline to have your programming event scheduled. You can take the next available appointment or tell us a later time that works best for you. At the time of your scheduled appointment, our RAP service technicians will call you. Our RAP service technician may ask you to perform a few simple checks on the vehicle before programming begins. You may need to cycle the key and confirm all OE and aftermarket vehicle accessories are turned off. Enter your name. Select Next. Then, sign to agree to programming terms. Our RAP service technician takes it from here to complete the programming. Once the programming is complete, disconnect the RAP Kit and pack it up for next time. You only pay per service and success is guaranteed.